After decades of preparation, construction has finally begun on the Square Kilometer Array, the SKA, which, when finished in 2028, will be the world's largest radio astronomical observatory. The final version of the SKA will use thousands of dishes and up to 1 million low-frequency antennas in South Africa and Australia to explore radio wavelengths of the sky. It'll also be a useful new tool for SETI, as it'll be sensitive enough to intercept potential alien broadcasts from great distances. Its search space will encompass several habitable exoplanetary systems. A fraction of these may contain life, and perhaps intelligent life. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at a new solution to the Fermi Paradox found. Scientists hope they're wrong. Yeah, you heard it right. The Fermi Paradox, where is everybody? Consequently, the SKA raises our prospects of discovering an answer to what is commonly known as the Great Silence, also known as the Fermi Paradox. This relates to the surprising finding that despite the immense number of stars in the universe and the expectation that the majority of them contain planets and moons, we have seen no clear proof of the presence of extraterrestrial intelligent life. No, despite an increase in UAP sightings, the US government has not yet discovered evidence of alien spacecrafts on Earth. A recent investigation by Jeffrey Marcy and Nathaniel Tellis adds to the vast record of non-detection cases over the past 60 or more years. The researchers searched the galactic plane for transient light pulses at optical and near-infrared wavelengths, which could have been extraterrestrial beacons. They uncovered none. Solutions to the Fermi Paradox. It is possible that we are not employing the proper equipment to detect extraterrestrials. I mentioned this notion once at an Arizona State University hosted SETI gathering. Imagine using a walkie-talkie in contemporary New York and being perplexed as to why no one responds. The reason is straightforward. The discussion has shifted to Facebook and TikTok. It is possible that extraterrestrials are communicating with a technology that we have not yet developed. This is only one possible outcome. There have been so many proposed explanations for the Fermi Paradox that entire volumes have been written on the subject. Among the most current theories is one suggested by Amri Wendell of the Hebrew University of Jerusalem in Israel, who thinks that planets with biological life are rather frequent. Although those with technologically advanced life are uncommon, if this is the case, it is doubtful that highly advanced civilizations would be close enough to communicate, and there may be little incentive for extraterrestrial civilizations to search all the habitable planets in the universe if the probability of finding intelligent life is minimal. In this scenario, no one would bother exploring exoplanets until they identify a technological trace from a nearby civilization. Since radio transmissions have been fleeing Earth for less than a century, they have not traveled further than 100 light years. Given the round-trip signal delay, we should not anticipate a response from anyone more than 50 light years away. Finding an alien intelligence, ETI, so close to us necessitates an abundance of civilizations. Wendell's premise that biology is widespread on other worlds, but ETI is not, is consistent with both the rare Earth and cosmic zoo hypothesis. It is also consistent with the expected evolution of life on our own planet. We have only been able to construct telescopes for a few hundred of Earth's 4 billion years of existence. What are the odds that a neighboring civilization is at the same technical level as us? Quite low, likely. The notion of a so-called great filter exacerbates the problem further. If advanced civilizations do emerge, they may not stay long. There have been numerous sentient life forms on Earth for millions of years, such as dolphins, apes, crows, elephants, and octopuses, to mention a few. But only humans have advanced to the point where they can construct space probes, and that just recently. Unfortunately, several space travel related technology can also be employed for self-destruction. Another option is that there are numerous ETI civilizations that simply do not wish to be discovered. Perhaps they are obligated by a Star Trek style prime directive not to interfere with the development of new civilizations. Carl Sagan noted that if an ETI culture is technologically far ahead of us, their acts might appear magical to us. Imagine a spy drone buzzing above a Neanderthal camp. Aliens may view Earth as a natural preserve or zoo, which they occasionally observe without being observed themselves. Nonetheless, accidents may occur and they manifest unwittingly. Could this account for some of the UAP sightings that NASA is now investigating? New technology may assist us in determining the causes of some of these baffling occurrences, but this is a very difficult subject with no likely rapid solutions. Aliens may not like humans. we must be careful not to presume that aliens will behave identically to humans. In previous SETI literature, particularly that pertaining to robotic interstellar von Neumann probes, it was anticipated that extraterrestrial intelligence will explore and occupy the galaxy, just as human civilizations had done on Earth. Wendell assumes the opposite, that ETI will not be interested in colonization and will only spend its limited resources on interstellar exploration if it detects a techno-signature. It is difficult to predict what humanity will do if technology advances to that level. Perhaps it's because I'm an astrobiologist, but I like to study all potentially inhabited worlds, whether or not they contain techno-signatures. The Fermi Paradox may be resolved if the square kilometer array becomes operational. So that's all from today's video. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so that you never miss our upcoming videos. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video.